Ruthlessness is a quality that is often associated with cruelty and firmness in one's desires. We are used to seeing this as something negative, but it is important to understand that ruthlessness can be a powerful tool for building a better life for yourself and your loved ones if used correctly. Ruthlessness means being completely honest and strict with yourself. This is the ability to set high demands on yourself, take responsibility for your actions, and not blame others for your failures. A ruthless man is ready to make sacrifices and has an unstoppable will to achieve his goal. We will always be hindered by some external circumstances. The higher we rise, the stronger the resistance of external factors trying to resist us will be. Therefore, first of all, a ruthless man should be aware of this. He always finds a way out of a difficult situation. He is a man with an impeccable level of obsession and dedication to his chosen craft. Every action he takes day after day is aimed at achieving his dreams, so that in the end, he will not be one of a billion cogs in the system, but will be truly useful to this world. He understands that he should stick to his strengths and clearly focus on what he is good at. A ruthless man understands that life does not reward the unworthy, and that success does not come to just anyone. The bigger the dream, the more difficult it will be to achieve. When the goals are clearly defined, it remains only to keep your eyes on them and follow a well-thought-out plan. Imagine a tiger stalking its prey. It does not take its eyes off its potential prey until it is where it needs to be. Maximum concentration, determination, and instinct of a real predator. Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson, Bruce Lee, all these people are united by the fact that they all had an indomitable will to be better. They didn't look for excuses or use excuses, they trained hard and were ruthless to themselves. The first and most difficult step is to get rid of everything superfluous. You need to remove everything and everyone who does not meet your priorities. Removing bad habits and routines that only waste your time and resources, destroying your potential. Netflix marathons with greasy burgers, lying on the bed, or scrolling the tape from morning to night. You need to give up all this right now. But this is only half of what you need to give up. The most difficult thing will be to remove all unnecessary people from your life. If you are unable to do this and empathy and a sense of pity take over, then be prepared to pay very dearly for it in the future. And the most important component, as I said at the beginning of the video, and I repeat again, is that there is nothing more important than becoming ruthless to yourself. Most men today are absolutely not honest with themselves. Most prefer to engage in self-deception and are afraid to leave even the slightest scratch on their ego. A ruthless man clearly defines his strengths and weaknesses. He knows and sees when his results are not good enough. Such a man analyzes his mistakes and does not allow his emotions to get the better of him. In the absence of progress, he never perceives defeat as his enemy. He sees defeat as a tool to do better next time.